Boy, now you've got another power play coming up. That's a play you can't stop. You got to get. I know that you don't necessarily want to give them more time on a 5-on-3, but this one, look at the bodies in front of the net. Off of the draw. Oh yeah, the errant stick of Camp gets up into the face. So down he goes. Now, what a smart play to just keep alive. Colton there, I think, was surprised that this was coming through to him, but he did a great job. Look at Drouin at the last second just adjust and realize he's got an open shot away. And I know it's a split-second decision making, but that's a puck you got to touch and just live to fight the 5-on-3.
Didn't it look like McKinnon, though, was trying to give it away?
Oh, he was totally trying to give it away. That's what I mean. That wasn't a pass to make a play. That was a pass to get a longer 5-on-3. But for Toronto, it's in that danger area, and you can see what happens when you don't take advantage of it. What a game changer this can be with another 2-minute power play to a power play that's been red hot.